In this video, you will learn how to add music in your Instagram story. So hey, I'm Sam and welcome to our channel How to Guided. If you want to add music in your Instagram story, you have to open your Instagram application. I have clicked on it and I have opened my Instagram. Now you have to add a new story to add music in that. So for this purpose, you have to click on the plus icon or you can swipe right to the screen and you will land on your Instagram story section. Now I have to capture a story. For example, let's so I have clicked a picture and this is my Instagram story. So on top of the right corner of your page you can see a page twisted icon. I will click on it and now I have to click on the music icon which is mentioned. Now all the musics that are available here, you can add them in your story. So I will click on any music, let's say first number. So I have clicked on done and you can now see that I have added a music in my Instagram story. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe our channel, and if you have any questions in your mind you can ask us in the comment section below and follow us on Instagram. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.